Right, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. If you are a fellow watcher, I'm looking at something right now. They finally came in, got them about 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago or something. I ordered them up. I had to Justin had to drive all the way down from Glad Tucky, Michigan to sign for the FedEx truck.
Junk ass fucking.
Dude, fight that thing again. Let me see it. Dude. Buddy.
You won't. It literally says do not accept if not strapped to a pedal.
No, it says do not stack.
All right.
Do not stack, do not.
This is what we originally ordered.
Do not accept.
But.
Bro, these ATZ 800s.
Got those.
Finally, get rid of those.
It ain't strapped, bro.
It's not even strapped. All right, we're gonna get one of these. We're gonna get one of these things off here real quick and check it out. Oh my God, buddy! Look at that lip.
I told you it's gonna be sticking right out.
Oh. All right, let's get one of these off. What do you think, buddy?
It's just crispy.
It's like crispy A1.
Like A5 Wagyu.
I got a smile on my face, that's for sure. So long story, I ordered some Arkon Alexanders. I think they were the Justin, did I order Alexanders or Caesars?
What?
Did I order Alexanders or Caesars at first? I can't remember. Huh?
Alexander.
So I ordered Alexanders. I had to ask Justin because I kind of left it up to him. But I ordered those, and then Arkon called me like a week after and said that they won't get them in until the end of August or July, August sometime. There's a cat on that roof and he's about to jump. Please jump. Holy shit! That's a cat. Well, that was cool. You guys just got.
What was that?
Whoa. You guys just got live footage of a cat jumping off the trailer. But anyhow, so yeah, they called me like a week after I bought them and said that they wouldn't get them till like mid-July, August or something. And I said, screw that. I want them before that. So Custom Offsets or Arkon ended up sending me a list of wheels they had in stock, and my wheel and tire package was originally 2,300 something, and the only wheels I liked were these Hostile sprockets, but those were like 2,200 or something, 2,100. They ended up just giving them to me for the same price, and I just got them in. We got them on. I was really bummed out because I went to go place the order. I placed the order when we were doing Justin's injectors in that 6.0, and I placed the order and I got an error on their website that said gateway error. So I just tried to reorder them again. It did it twice. Well, my fiance was getting groceries at the store and our card got declined, and come to find out that they charged me twice for the wheels. So I had to call my bank, get all my money back. Then I finally ended up ordering them just off of Arkon's website. So they did me a solid, so shout out to Custom Offsets for that. I appreciate that a lot. I talked to Kody. He was a pretty cool guy. Ironically, Kody, pretty cool people. So right now we are actually in the process of taking my 5-inch lift off and putting a 3-inch BDS. So it's a 3-inch in the front, 2-inch in the back, and this is kind of where we're at with it right now. So I got the back done, and I'm not going to show too much of it, but the back is done and the wheels are on. So pretty much what they look like right now. I honestly, when I got them out of when I first took one off the pallet, I didn't like it. I did not like it at all. I wanted the black milled, but they only had a couple of those in stock. So they weren't going to tell me, yeah, you can have these, and then come to find out that I couldn't because I didn't have enough in stock. But I didn't like them at first, but honestly, now that I'm looking at them, they're starting to grow on me. I really do like them a lot. And I've never had a wheel set with stretch tires before like this. And for some reason, I just wanted to go small tires, low, start to get this motor build going. Because there's a lot of stuff I want to do this truck. We're going to do a bed swap here, bumpers, paint match, all that, to get into the motor and stuff. But this is pretty much what it's looking like right now.
Come on, dude, I gotta see this.
The stretch is pretty aggressive. It's a 305 4022 on a 22x14. I believe they are negative 76 offset. That's why I wanted the Arkons, because like most of the Arkons are 81 or 88, whatever it is. So yeah, right now the 5 inches on the front, the rough country, getting rid of that junk. 3 inches on in the back, and it is definitely a little Cali leaned right now. Not a big fan of it. But the other thing I'm really excited about back here is that my airbags will be touching. I can get U-bolts again, get my airbags on. But that's gonna wrap up this video. We're gonna do some pretty sweet roller shots and get some really good video footage of what it looks like now. But I just wanted to get something uploaded to keep everybody in the loop of what's going on. I haven't uploaded in a little bit just because I've been kind of waiting for stuff to come in. And I have a whole video already going for this lift. Got everything powder coated. Yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. So just stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It helps out. If anybody's looking for any wheels, head over to Custom Offsets, check them out. If you do end up buying something off there, whether it's a hat, shirt, stickers, anything, wheels, tires, suspension, hit our name at the Who Sent You, the Wide with Pride down at the bottom. And it always helps us out. It helps everything out. It helps the channel, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, stay tuned, and we will see you here shortly when the lift is done, which should be this weekend. So I'm hoping that Sunday, Monday, we'll get the video uploaded. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.